Ever looked at your smartphone and wondered if it could be more than just a phone? Most of us use our phones every day, but rarely stop to think about the true potential hiding inside that slim device in our pocket. What if your phone could do so much more than just send messages, make calls, or scroll through social media? Hi everyone, we are One Connect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow, which aims to empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. Today, we'll unlock its secret identity as a true mini-computer. Imagine carrying a powerful workstation with you everywhere you go without the bulk of a laptop or desktop. It's already your camera, navigator, and music player, but it can also be your portable workstation. Your phone is packed with hardware and software that rivals some computers, just waiting to be put to work. Imagine typing on a real keyboard and using a mouse with your phone, anywhere, cafe, library, or park. Suddenly, your favorite spot becomes your new office and productivity is no longer tied to a desk. No more squinting at tiny keys or endless typos, just smooth, efficient work on the go. You can write emails, edit documents, or even manage spreadsheets with ease, all from your phone. This isn't science fiction. It's a simple hack that transforms your phone into a productivity powerhouse. With just a few accessories, you can unlock a whole new way to work and create. By adding a keyboard and mouse, you turn your phone into a tool for real work, writing, editing, and multitasking with ease. You can switch between apps, organize your workflow, and get things done faster than ever before. You're not just consuming content, you're creating it, fast and comfortably. Whether it's editing photos, drafting articles, or even making videos, your phone becomes your creative studio. All it takes is unlocking a hidden feature in your phone's Bluetooth settings. Pair your keyboard and mouse, and you're ready to experience a whole new level of productivity. Let's unleash the full power of the device you already own. You don't need to buy a new computer, just use what's already in your hand. Ready to turn your phone into the mini workstation you never knew you needed? The future of mobile productivity is here, and it starts with your phone. Why bother with this transformation? One word: efficiency. Typing long emails or reports on a touchscreen is slow and frustrating. A Bluetooth keyboard lets you type faster and more accurately, while a mouse gives you precise control. This setup creates a focused workspace, helping you get more done anywhere. It's about breaking free from the limits of your phone and working like you would on a laptop. Your office is now wherever you are. This simple change can dramatically boost your productivity. Building your mobile workstation is easy. You need just 4 things: your smartphone, a Bluetooth keyboard, a Bluetooth mouse, and a phone stand. Choose a keyboard and mouse that fit your style, compact for travel, or full-sized for comfort. Make sure both connect via Bluetooth for a tangle-free setup. A phone stand isn't essential, but it makes typing and viewing much more comfortable. With these simple tools, you're ready to work anywhere. No complicated gadgets or tech skills required. Let's get set up. Discover more expert tips and in-depth tutorials on our website. Need help boosting your digital skills or growing your online business? Get in touch with our team for personalized support. Check our website in the description below. Let's walk through the process of turning your smartphone into a powerful workstation. With just a few simple steps, you'll be able to connect your keyboard and mouse in minutes, making your phone feel more like a computer than ever before. First, grab your Bluetooth keyboard and put it into pairing mode. This usually means holding down the pairing button until you see a flashing light, which tells you it's ready to connect. If you're unsure, check your keyboard's manual for specific instructions. Next, unlock your phone and head to the Bluetooth settings. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, then look for your keyboard in the list of available devices. Tap on its name to start the connection process. If your phone asks for a code, simply enter it using your keyboard. Once you see a confirmation message, your keyboard is successfully connected and ready to use. Now let's do the same for your Bluetooth mouse. Put it into pairing mode, usually by holding a button. Then select it from your phone's Bluetooth menu. Follow any prompts and you'll be connected in no time. Once both devices are connected, you'll notice a mouse cursor appear on your phone's screen. You can now type, click, and scroll, just like you would on a laptop or desktop computer. Open up your favorite productivity apps, browse the web, or even write emails with ease. The keyboard and mouse combo makes multitasking on your phone a breeze. It's really that simple. No complicated setup or tech wizardry required. Anyone can do it, and it only takes a few minutes. In just a handful of steps, you've transformed your phone into a full-featured workstation, perfect for work, study, or creative projects. Now you're ready to explore all the possibilities and see just how much your phone can do when paired with the right accessories. Who really benefits from this mobile marvel? Let's take a closer look at the people whose lives can be transformed by this simple yet powerful setup. For students, it's a game changer. Imagine being able to take notes, write essays, or finish assignments anywhere. No need to lug around a heavy laptop. Whether you're in the library, a coffee shop, or even outdoors, your phone and keyboard combo keeps you productive and light on your feet. Travelers and digital nomads will love the freedom this brings. It's like having a lightweight, powerful office that fits in your bag. Work from airport lounges, hotel lobbies, or even park benches. Wherever inspiration strikes, your mobile workstation is ready. Remote workers can instantly turn any table, counter, or even a windowsill into a productive workspace. And when you're done, just pack it away in seconds. No clutter, no hassle. If you live in a small apartment or simply love a minimalist lifestyle, this setup is perfect. It saves space, reduces distractions, and keeps your work area clean and simple. Why juggle multiple devices when your phone can handle it all? Streamline your tech, cut down on clutter, and focus on what matters most. Setup is a breeze. It takes just minutes, and the productivity boost you'll experience is truly impressive. You'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish with just your phone and a keyboard. Turn downtime into productive time, on a train, in a cafe, or while waiting for an appointment. Suddenly, every spare moment becomes an opportunity to get things done. Give it a try, and you might be surprised by just how capable your phone really is. Unlock new possibilities and see what you can achieve. The future of work is portable, flexible, and efficient. Embrace it, and take your productivity anywhere you go. Discover more expert tips and in-depth tutorials on our website. Need help boosting your digital skills or growing your online business? Get in touch with our team for personalized support. Check our website in the description below. Our free and paid online courses. Learn in-demand skills like social media marketing, coding basics, and more. Our digital products are full of educational and informative ebooks, website templates, design elements, books, and more. Check below for more information. Help us spread the word by sharing this video with your friends and family. Like, share, and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and tutorials.